What financial risks come from equipment failures at pop-up drink stands? The biggest risks are lost sales during downtime, spoiled inventory, emergency repair costs, and potential health code violations if a cooler or ice machine fails and drinks are not kept at a safe temperature. Think of your pop-up drink stand like a lemonade stand, but bigger and with machines that need electricity to work. If your blender or your cooler breaks down in the middle of a hot day, you cannot make drinks, and that means you lose money every single minute it is broken. Something a lot of people do not think about is that spoiled ice or warm dairy products can force you to throw away product you already paid for, which is basically like throwing away cash. Another thing many stand owners do not realize is that a lot of small generators used at outdoor stands are not built to handle the constant start and stop power needs of blenders and ice machines, which causes them to burn out faster than expected. A smart move is to keep a backup battery-powered blender or a small manual option just in case, so you are never fully shut down. One thing to really watch out for is relying on just one power source, since a single generator failure can shut your whole stand down, so always have a backup plan like a second generator or battery packs. Another key point is not tracking equipment age, since older machines fail more often, so keeping a simple maintenance log helps you replace parts before they break instead of after. Lastly, many owners forget to insure their equipment specifically, so checking that your policy covers mechanical breakdown, not just theft or fire, can save you thousands of dollars. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.